Did you know that your skin does most of its healing and renewal between 10 p.m. and 2 p.m.? That is when your skin switches from protect mode to repair mode. And missing this window regularly could sabotage all your skincare efforts. I'm Etiosa. For those of you who are new on my YouTube channel, I encourage every one of you to please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And I hope you are excited about this video today because I'm really excited. I believe you can tell by the smile on my face, right? So we are going to be talking about something that I feel everyone needs to know. So, and I really encourage you guys to watch my previous video because this is a series where we talk about healthy skin, and today is day 4. So we've talked about so many interesting topics in our previous video. So when you're done with this video, I encourage you to watch those other videos because you will definitely learn from it. And if you have any question regarding any of our videos, please do not forget to leave a comment down below, so I can answer you all questions. So today, as you all already know, we are going to be talking about beautiful. Welcome to day 4 of our healthy skin series. Your skin go into regeneration overdrive at night, producing more collagen, repairing damage, and flushing out toxins. Study shows that skin permeability increases while you sleep, meaning that your product penetrates deeper. But guess what? No matter how expensive your skincare products are, your lotion, your serums, your moisturizer, if your nighttime routine is poor or inconsistent, you are wasting your money. So that's one of the reasons why you guys need to watch this video, because there is a lot of things you all need to learn. It's not about following trend or buying any skincare product that other people are using and then you decide to use it on your skin. Do not forget that skin type matters. So it depends on your own skin type. And I guess that's one of the reasons why a lot of people get their own skincare products. They mix it up because you don't understand your skin, you don't understand your skin type, you don't understand how this product works. Because people are talking about it, you just go ahead and purchase and start using on your skin. That is how you all get it wrong. It might not be that the product is bad, but it depends on your skin type and how that product is able to work on your skin type. And we've spoken about this in our previous topic. So if you don't understand your skin type, you don't know your skin type, I guess you need to watch that video. Not I guess, I need you to watch the video so you can understand your skin type and understand the product that is suitable for your skin type, if that makes sense. So you don't waste your money. Here is the harsh truth. Most people skip their nighttime routine or rush through it or apply heavy cream or whatever, and you call it skincare. Why your skin is begging for it, but you are giving it stress. So it's not meant to be so. You are meant to take your time and do your nighttime routine accordingly. The same product you use in the morning might not be the same product you use at night. So skincare routine is not just about applying any expensive skincare product or doing whatever you feels like. Your skin needs a reset. Your skin needs orderliness. You have to do this accordingly. That are meant, they are products that you are meant to use at night. There are other products that you are meant to use night or morning. Let's not even talk about those that says I'm too tired, I don't need skincare, I don't go out, my skin is not exposed to sun. See, your skin doesn't care. Whether you stay at home, you enjoy yourself, you sleep, you went to a wedding, your skin does not care. Okay? Don't forget that your skin is exposed to blue lights, indoor pollution, sweat, even stress. So every single day your skin go through this. So skincare is very important and doing it the right way. Some people believe your nighttime routine should be heavy and loaded with active. Some even say less is more. Others believe that skipping nighttime routine will let their skin breathe. Here is my thought. Your skin doesn't breathe, it does not have lungs. Your skin regenerates, and for that, it needs support, not suffocation. Now, let me ask you a question. When was the last time you gave your skin the same attention you give to your outfit at night? I guess your answer is no. I mean, your skin is part of you. You need to pay attention to it. Stare at the mirror and see what is wrong. You're using a product and the product is not working for you. Try to know what is wrong with that product. If it's your skin or the product that is not good on your skin. I mean, if your skin had a voice, what would it be saying? Am I glowing or am I too tired to? Because because glowing skin is not just about what you do in the morning, it's about what you allow your skin to do at night while you sleep. So pay attention to your skin and just do the right thing. Easy peasy. Here is how to build a smart, effective night routine even when you're busy. First, double cleanse. Use an oil cleanser first, then a gentle face wash to remove buildup. Second, hydrate. Use a toner or an essence for hydration. Third, treat. Targeted ones for acne, fine lines, or hyperpigmentation. Third, seal. Use a moisturizer suitable to your skin type. Fifth, a facial oil or a sleeping mask if your skin needs extra love. Best time to start doing your night routine is 10 p.m. Consistency over complications. Always remember that, not the hype. Your skin remembers your routine. We've come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. And then I will see you guys in my next video. I love you all. Best time.